pilot by trade, but he's very experienced in the display world, having displayed the Jaguar, spent 3 years previously with the Red Arrows, including leading the synchro pair. Recently he has spent 3 years as the official advisor to the Royal Saudi Air Force's display team. Reds 2 and 3 acknowledge the move to Eagle. They do so with very metronomic cadence in their voices. The idea is that as they count 4 in their heads, the pilots extend their air brakes. And on 6, all the pilots retract their air brakes.